Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. Let's get started. So I am in Monopoly Go, and what you notice is that my Wi-Fi is off and the airplane mode is turned on. So if I press on the Go button, you notice that I can still roll the dice and my piece is still moving. So if you are unable to do this, then what you want to do is turn on your Wi-Fi and then go to the App Store. So once you reach the App Store, you need to ensure that your Monopoly Go game is up to date. So there should be an update button at the bottom which says update. If not, then what you should try doing is reinstalling the game. So once you delete it, you install it again, or just press the install button there at the bottom. Another option would be to clear the cache and data of the game in your settings. So once you reach your settings, you're going to look for something which says apps, and then you press apps again, and then you search for your game, so Monopoly, you open it, and then you're going to press on storage. So as you can see there are two options, clear data and then clear cache. So right now that option is not available to me, which says clear cache, because I reinstalled the game. But if you want to do so, you're going to press clear cache and then clear data. So then once you're done doing that, you go back to the game and then you log in with your details and see if it works. If that still doesn't work, then that means the creators of the game have updated it, which means that you are unable to play the game using airplane mode, so then you just have to use your Wi-Fi. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.